Gold and silver traded bullish for the day and achieved higher highs we have seen. Gold specifically achieved 2267, a notch above the previous highs at 2266, while silver too has traded bullish towards 2575. Now, what to expect today with the US session from gold and silver? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. The subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, and join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. The link is there in the channel and video description. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube and support. On the early charts for gold, we can clearly see it has been trading in this bullish channel here. It has to break this channel. There's only selling entry. Now it appears is below 2250 levels. Yes, this is going to be a good great support. And only below 2250 we can say that the bears will take over, where we may see a bearish attack. Look at the drop here. The drop was sharp. The rise is a bit gradual, though it has achieved higher highs, but it is with a gradual rise. Thus it appears there is still possibility of a reversal, as it has almost seen the double top here. We have to watch out more closely here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is almost running flat with slight divergence. RSI is almost flat here near to top. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now on the 2-hour charts also you can see higher highs, higher lows. It appears there is a potential for gold to move towards 2270 levels here today itself. Thus if you see it trading above 2265, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 2270 levels, and beyond 2270 there is going to be a very strong bullish move here, which may in fact take the prices towards 2280, 83. Another point to note here is the higher lows are seen here. Thus, if current candle breaks below 2254, you can sell, but then this is going to be a bit riskier because there are good support at 2250 and then 2247. You can see 2 to 3 candles getting reversed from this zone. That this is going to be an important zone here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness after crossing over here from the top. RSI very near to the top. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. We have to wait for it to break the support here. 2254, 55 should be a good entry, but again, as I said, it is going to be riskier as long as 2250, 47 zone is not breached. Below that is where we can see a little more bearishness towards 2240. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is almost running flat here after forming double bottom and a double top. What preceded this here could follow here as well. So we have to watch out here with caution. RSI again entering overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour. If you look at 4-hour chart, see first of all couple of steps and then this bullish candle. I can still see this trading in this bullish channel here. It has to come out of this channel in order to confirm the direction here. And thus, as I say, below 2250 is where we can see 2250, 47 is where we can see more bearishness, which will take the prices towards 2240, 2232, 35 zone. Possibility is there. If you look at the stochastic, this is again you can say entering into overbought zone. The MACD is trading in green. RSI is the overbought. Coming to on the daily charts, one thing you must note that the preceding candle comes with a swing, and where lower lows, higher highs. Right now, you can see it is almost reversed from the median of this. In the morning update, I have mentioned why 2247 is a critical level. That is almost the median of yesterday's move. And that is where only below 2247 we can say slight bearishness can be observed. Right now, today, it has bounced back from the same zone and now trying to trade bullish. Also remember, second green candle in succession. If it breaks beyond 2270, certainly more, or you can say bigger bullish candle can be observed. Though looking at the formation as of now, it appears that the bulls are a bit exhausted. You can see this formation, and it is just coming out of this, which suggests that bulls are slightly exhausted here. We have to be trading with caution. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is overbought here as well. So consider you can buy here at 2264 itself, but then it has to be with extreme caution because there are going to be resistances 2267, 2270, and once it stays above 2270, you can say that the bulls will take over and a stronger rise towards 2280 cannot be denied. Yes, we may see 2280, 85 levels as well. On the downside, since we have seen a good bullish move and swing yesterday, it can show you a swing today as well, because so far for the day we have seen gold trading bullish. Now, before I provide you the selling levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 8th of April. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch or signals channel on Telegram. And yes, in the mentorship batch, we focus on two things. First is to teach you all the art, all the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades. And yes, the second part is where you that with the help of trade setups you can trade profitably. So reach out to me for details. Now, and yes, many of you had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy, where you can trade easily from across the globe, and instruments from across the globe can be traded, and also which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now, on the sell side, I will recommend you to sell here at 2256 itself, but 54, 52 zone, and then 50. So as long as 2250 and then 2247, these are very, very nearby supports. Thus, you should be trading with the 20 pips trailing stop loss. That is what you can do at best. It is only to be treated bearish if gold trades below 2247. We can say that now the bears are taking over. As long as 2247 is not taken, we have to be trading with caution. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. So silver on the early charts at the start for the day, it has been trading with extreme bullishness. We can see it moving towards 2575, and this is almost a notch closer towards the previous highs what we have seen for silver in the recent times. Now, if we look at it, has achieved the levels, delivered lower highs and reversals then. But I will treat this as bearish only and only if it trades below 2530, 2520 zone. Then only we can say that it is turning bearish. And in fact, as long as $25 levels are not breached, we should not be treating silver as bearish. It is trying to retrace a bit. Possibly it can come towards 20 period or the median of the Bollinger Bands and bounce back from there. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD is in green trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over, but yes, it is forming double top. RSI dropping from the overbought zone. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see after straight bullish candles, it is trying to reverse first bearish candle here, and it has taken a sharp drop here. Now, once it drops below 2540, 2530 zone, more bearishness may be seen, and then we will look forward to see as long as 2520, $25 levels are not breached, should not be treating silver as bearish, and specifically below 2480 is where the bears will be seen, else it is still not bearish. You can see it has been trading in this bullish channel where the bottom of the channel 2520 level. So at best it can try to move towards 2520. Stochastic overbought trying to come out of the overbought zone. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, a sharper dip is being seen. Possibly it can try to move towards 2520, 2510 zone. But again, do not treat this as bearish as long as 2480 levels are not breached. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts, series of greener candles, and now this is the first red candle which has been created. And yes, 2540 is a good support here, 2530 another good support. So we have to wait for it to break on the downside in order to confirm the selling entry. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is coming down from the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, you can see higher lows, higher highs. Thus, in any case, it should not break $25 levels. In fact, 2520 should also not be breached. And only if silver drops below this, you can say that the bears are taking over and a sharper drop can be expected. So, what I will recommend now, I will recommend a selling entry only below 2530 levels, where if you are taking a sell entry, remember you have to trade with the 10 cents trailing stop loss towards 2520, 2510, 25, and then 2480. Yes, there are going to remain good great support here for silver on the downside. Be cautious of that. On the upside, a buying entry is recommended if you see silver trading above 2565 now, where we can look forward to 2580 as the first targets, and then beyond that we are looking forward to 26 and 2620 levels. If it stays above 2580, certainly you can say that the bulls will take over there and more bullishness may prevail. In between the zone, that is 2530 to 2565, we have to stay cautious and alert. I do not see it breaking either of these levels. On the downside, there is a slight possibility, but still I will say it will bounce back strongly, because 2530, 2520 itself is a great support zone. Then 2510, 25 itself is a great support zone. So there are stronger supports available for silver on the downside. Thus, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the next update tomorrow before the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss that update that sets the direction for the day. Like, those who watched the first update today must have already been profited, and now it is time for us to encash more profit with the second update. Then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, or join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading.